Come on, Lily, let's go. I'm here, just behind you. Cool, let's load the backpacks in the car. Come on, backpack, jump in the trunk. Yoo-hoo, adventure begins.
Welcome to our new home! It's time for an adventure! I'm going climbing! I got my helmet, my rope, my special stretch pants, my polo shirt if it's cold, and my special climber's t-shirt. And of course I have to drink lots of water.
I'm gonna get dressed too.
And I'm going kayaking. Now what do I need to pack? My paddle, my sunscreen, some lip gloss,
My camera, and some snacks if I get hungry in the fresh air.
I put everything in the trunk and let's hop in. I have to put my helmet, check which direction to go on my compass. And away I go!
Phew, I'm so tired from those birds.
Yeah, me too. Let's have a rest.
So refreshing.
Now let's cook.
To make fried eggs, you need a little bit of butter, and of course some fresh eggs. And after I serve it on a clean plate, I'm gonna wash the dishes.